The criminal complaint also reveals the lawmaker told officers he had taken antidepressants. The night team's Andy Choi joins us with why driving impaired isn't just about consuming alcohol, Andy.
That's right, Eric. In Wisconsin, many are quick to reference the number .08. But even when alcohol isn't involved, there are a host of other drugs that can impair your actions on the road. From a legal standpoint, Dane County's district attorney's office says any OWI holds the same burden of proof, but officers must process and collect the evidence in different ways. Madison Police says more officers are training to focus on what they call personal contact questions to measure impairment.
How do they respond to questions? Are they slow to respond to questions? We ask distracting questions. So can they multitask even cognitively while we're just talking to them on the street?
If I don't have a case where someone has a blood alcohol level to show a jury, what I'm showing a jury is what are all these other tests that are performed, all the other factors that we observe or that the police officer observed that lets us know this person can't safely operate a motor vehicle.
And in many cases, officers tell us they often see drivers with a combination of alcohol and drugs, prescribed and illicit. The hope for law enforcement is that people understand prescription drugs can do just as much damage on the road as alcohol, Eric.
And Andy, is this something we're seeing more of, drugged driving?
Statistically, Eric, it's hard to tell. There hasn't been a lot of research on it, but anecdotally, yes. And it's why law enforcement are very serious about changing that public perception of drug driving, that it is just as serious as drunk driving.
All right, News 3's Andy Choi in our news center tonight. Andy, thanks.